All right, welcome everyone. We are gathered today to witness the formal joining in the legal state of matrimony of Akeen and Jennifer according to the order and custom prevailing and under the authority given and provided by the province of British Columbia. All right, welcome everyone. We are gathered today to witness the formal joining in the legal state of matrimony of Akeen and Jennifer according to the order and custom prevailing and under the authority given and provided by the province of British Columbia. Today we share with Akeen and Jennifer this important and memorable moment in time. In marriage, we give ourselves freely and generously into the hands of the ones we love, and in doing so, each of us receives the love and trust of the other as our most precious gift. You fell in love by chance, but you're here today because you're making a choice. You are both choosing each other. You have chosen to be with someone who enhances you, who makes you think, who makes you smile, and makes every day brighter. You are about to make promises to each other that you intend to keep. You're going to vow to take care of each other, to stand up for one another, find happiness in each other, and there's a simple premise to each of these promises. You're vowing to always be there. Therefore, I charge and require of both of you in the presence of these witnesses that if either of you know of any legal impediment to this marriage, you must now reveal the same. Akeen, please repeat after me. I solemnly declare that I do not know of any lawful impediment why I, Akeen Orlando Samuel Edwards, may not be joined in matrimony to Jennifer Michelle Alexander. Good job. All right, Jennifer. I solemnly declare that I do not know of any lawful impediment why I, Jennifer Michelle Alexander, may not be joined in matrimony to Akeen Orlando Samuel Edwards. Good job. Okay, so now that we've had no protesting from anyone here and you've made your vow, we can start your vows and you can speak from the heart. Who would like to go first?
Want me to go first?
Okay. Want me to take your flower?
Yes, please. Thank you.
All right.
Okay.
So we get the honors.
The first time I saw you, I thought to myself, good Lord, how is there a tall, handsome black man moving next door? Then when you came over, I was blown away by your charming gentleman ways and how damn good you smelled. I quickly thought, I need him in my life, and Lord, I'm in trouble. What is most attractive to me is your commitment to God and wanting to live a life pleasing to God. We connected instantly, and our chemistry was so strong. and the energy was calming and peaceful and comfortable. These past 8 months have been a dream come true. The more I got to know your beautiful soul, your delicious cooking, and all the fun that we have, and all the long conversations that we have, the more my feelings grew for you. I added you to my daily prayer, trusting that God would work everything out and that His will would be done in our lives. I quickly knew, as the Book of Solomon 3:4 says, I have found the one my soul loves. I thank God for the gift of the perfect man that you are for me. Akeen, I commit to you today, before God, before our family and friends, that I will continue to be your solid rock in life's many ups and downs. I vow to be the woman you inspire me to be and the woman that you deserve. I promise to cover you in prayer before God and to speak only words of kindness to you. I vow to be patient, supportive, and to love you for the rest of my life. Akeen, I choose you and only you. From this day forward, I will be faithful to you until God calls us home. Baby, this commitment to spend the rest of our lives together is a miracle to me and a dream come true.
Well, for me, Jen, I manifested you years ago without even knowing. I created an email with my name and your name, and didn't even know that somehow later on down the road, it would have actually manifested. You pointing that out to be such a blessing. It's only right to give you my all, go out there, take care of you, make you feel special, treat you right, and build your confidence. I just want you to know that how God-fearing you are, that touched my soul, and it just makes me want to go out there and do whatever it takes for you. I just want you to know that I love you so much, babe.
All right.
Okay, that was lovely and very heartfelt. Beautiful. Okay, so we'll carry on. We're going to start with you again, Akeen. Please repeat after me. I call upon those present to witness
I call upon those present to witness
that I, Akeen Alando Samuel Edwards,
that I, Akeen Alando Samuel Edwards,
take Jennifer Michelle Alexander
take Jennifer Michelle Alexander
to be my lawful wedded wife.
to be my lawful wedded wife.
Do you promise to support her and be proud of her? Support her through life's tough moments as your favorite person to laugh with, go on adventures with, and grow old together while finding even more reasons to love her more every day.
Very good.
Good. All right, Jennifer. I call on those present to witness
I call on those present to witness
that I, Jennifer Michelle Alexander, take Akeen Alando Samuel Edwards
take Akeen Alando Samuel Edwards
to be my lawful wedded
to
husband.
be my lawful wedded husband.
Do you promise to support him and be proud of him? Support him through life's tough moments as your favorite person to laugh with, go on adventures with, and grow old together while finding new reasons to love him more every day.
I do.
Will you, Akeen and Jennifer, be each other's partner from this day forward? Will you bring out the best in one another, share your happiest moments together, and love each other absolutely for the rest of your life or for whatever may come next?
I do.
For as much as you've made this declaration of your vows, the rings now will be used as a seal and regarded as confirmation and acceptance of the vows that you have just made. So we'll get the rings. The ring bearer. Okay, it doesn't matter. You can each take a ring and then we'll do each other individually.
Okay, I take this one. Can you get it for me? Thank you.
Okay, Akeen, we're going to start with you on Jennifer's left hand. You can start that out and repeat after me and look at her. I give you this ring
I give you this ring
so you may wear it
so you may wear it
as a lasting reminder
as a lasting reminder
of our marriage vows
of our marriage vows
and as a symbol
and of us, and as a symbol
of my love
of my love
and commitment to you.
and commitment to you.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Okay, Jennifer, on Akeen's left hand. I give you this ring
I give you this ring
so you may wear it
so you may wear it
as a lasting reminder
as a lasting reminder
of our marriage vows
of our marriage vows
and as a symbol
and as a symbol
of my love
of my love
and commitment.
and commitment to you.
May this exchange of rings always be a reminder that when you are not physically together, they will symbolize that you are always by each other's side. Okay,
Okay.
we'll light our candles now.
Okay.
You do it. Okay, so they lit their individual candles and now they'll light the unity candle. Go ahead. These two bright lights will shine in the hearts of the entire family and become one eternal flame. May it give you courage and reassurance in the darkness, warmth in the safety and in the cold, and strength and joy in your bodies, minds, and spirits today. For as much as Akeen and Jennifer have exchanged vows before these witnesses and in my presence, and have joined their lives together through the giving or receiving of those beautiful vows and exchanging of rings, now upon the authority vested in me by the province of British Columbia, I'm happy to pronounce you husband and wife. You may seal the vow with a kiss. Perfect.
Thank you.
Now we'll make it legal by signing the document. So I'll have you both come over and sign. So I love this pen. As long as it's black ink, I'm good with it. So you're gonna sign here, Jennifer, and you're also gonna sign on the very first line here.
Okay. Thank you. Oh, and Oh, am I signing Jennifer Alexander?
Mm-hmm. Okay. For the last time.
I'm like, what am I supposed to be signing?
Very first line.
Okay.
Okay, and then pose.
Yay.
Okay, we'll switch it up. Okay. I'm gonna stand behind the king. Obviously, that's nice for the physical beat. Okay. Groom, you're gonna sign here, and then you're gonna sign on the first X there. Okay? You're gonna sneak in. Good pictures. Okay, hold the pen. Just pretend you're still signing.
Hold the pen and get a picture.
Okay, look up at everybody.
Feel like I'm writing on a card.
We have to pose for a few of them. That's the way it goes. Are you done? Everyone got a good shot?
Yeah.
It's really lit up there. Yeah. Okay, look this way. There we go. Beautiful. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Now we'll take witness number one. Who's our first witness today?
Jessica?
Okay. All right, girl, you got more work to do than they do. Have that seat and I'll show you yourself. I'll just put music on.
Okay, I'm so glad you brought the candles.
Akeen and Jennifer. May you enjoy a happy and loving life together. In love and laughter, like all of your days. May your home be a place of comfort and peace. It gives me immense pleasure to present legally married for the very first time as husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Edwards. More kids. Oh, yes. Good one, you guys. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
So now, Jennifer, the next piece of paper you sign Edwards if you want.
Yeah, okay.
Even before your ID is done, it's your name now.
Okay, great.
Yeah,
Okay,
we're all good.
Okay, so
I'll file all your documents and you can carry on with your party.
Okay, Sharon's gonna read the Bible.
Love is mentioned in the Bible 360 to 500 times. Friends, that is a lot of love. I'm sure love is mentioned so often because we have a God that is the pure image of love. All throughout the Bible, we see God's love poured out and lavished upon us. God's love comes with no strings attached, but is completely unconditional and perfect in every way. 1 Corinthians 13:4 and 7 gives us a glimpse into the kind of love we need to show towards each other. And 1 Corinthians 13:4 and 7 says, love is patient and kind. Love does not envy or boast. It is not arrogant or rude. It does not insist on its own way. It is not irritable or resentful. It does not rejoice at wrongdoing, but rejoices with the truth. Love hears, bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, and endures all things.
Okay, now my Aunt Linda is going to say a prayer over our marriage. Us and our marriage.
Heavenly Father, thank you for the gift of marriage between Jennifer and Akeen. I pray, O Lord, that you will give them the ability to keep the covenant they have made to each other today as they live out their lives together. Bless them with the inner gifts of trust, compassion, forgiveness, and truth. Grant them generosity in place of selfishness, moral strength in the place of mistrust, patience and gentleness in the face of misunderstanding, so that they may live together in love and peace. Mm-hmm. Give them strong faith and abiding love in the face of suffering and sorrow. And Lord, as they seek you to be their source of strength, a counselor, a comforter, and companion, may they also seek to be a reflection of who you are, so that these same qualities can be reflected in each of their lives, one toward the other and towards others. May their home truly be a place of love and harmony, where your spirit is ever present. Amen.
Thank you. Well, thanks everybody for coming. We're going to have our first dance as husband and wife. And then, what time is it? Oh, it's only 4:30. Okay, so we'll probably take some pictures outside and...
You want to do your dance first?
And we're going to do our dance first, yeah.
What song would you like?
Ireland boss and me represent for Akeen and Jenn. And you know them YouTube channels, so me I tell you no, and me I say no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The past wasn't clear. No, tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?